Hi and welcome to Down the Shed. So in this video we're going to be looking at these Gasea tweezers that I've recently bought on Amazon. It's a three-piece kit. They came in at £8.99. Delivery was paid, I think. So basically £3 a pair. So let's take them out. They're stainless steel and ceramic. They're quoting that they can handle 1500 degrees, whether that's Celsius or Fahrenheit. We'll guess Celsius. Unique reverse design, cross-locking, self-closing design can improve work efficiency. So I do like for S&D work the self-closing on these. I'm going to sacrifice probably this pair for my old ones, my old standard tweezers, because I snapped the end on one of them. I do like these tweezers, but for S&D work these are far more superior. So I might just take the flat end ones out for the these ones. 2 pairs of those would be handy. Might order another pair with just those in it. And then we've got these. In fact, I might even sacrifice this pair and keep the body as spare. Nice firm body on these. They're not flimsy. I had some tweezers from Poundland, unless you guess, you get your pound's worth. Look at the difference in the body of those. They're flimsy, they're firm, thick, substantial, and they can nip. So I think I might put those in these actually, and then keep these as a. So yeah, good tweezers. I have had a quick play with them. Excuse me. They will pick things up quite easily. Non-magnetic, so you're not going to have things hanging onto them. Heat resistant, so you can solder with them for quite some time. Pick up half decent things. I'm guessing the reach on them is about 18mm because they're just shy of a 2032 battery, which is 20mm diameter. So yeah, they're good tweezers. The link will be in the description. Gasea 3 PCS 3 pieces ceramic tweezer set, precision anti-static tweezers kit, anti-magnetic, heat resistant, pointed and curved tips, hand tools. That's the Amazon description title. So yeah, link will be in the description to those. But wait, what have we here? So here we have the 8-piece 8 PCS precision tweezer set, anti-static stainless steel ESD tweezer set for electronics, soldering, jewellery, craft, laboratory work, hobby, etc. These other ones are supposed to be acid proof as well, just saying. So we've got an 8-piece set in an anti-static tweezer 6-piece case. So they've either just given extra tweezers out or reusing old packaging lying around. Whichever is the case, it's nice to have 8 instead of 6. So we'll just grab all these out. Again, nice metal body tweezers, all got protective, all bar one have got protective plastic sleeves on. That's got a little band on it on the tips because they're quite sharp and pointy. So good length to them. Let's turn this one around so you're looking at it the right way up. Nice pointy tweezers. Again, pick things up quite, just about pick those batteries up, so the reach on the others are better. Nice pointy tips, pick the battery up quite easily. Small screws, etc. So the tips have stayed uncoated, and the rest of the body seems to have some sort of powder coat or similar on it, which is nice. They've all got their own little model numbers. So that's the 10, we've got a 13, 17, 14, 12, 15, 11 and an ESD 34A SA, which is like a big spade end on it. So could be good for SMD work, I don't know. But yeah, that's got a big spade end on it. So we've got pointed on most of the others, so there's a straight point. We've got the curvy tip point, that'll be quite useful actually. And let's shot on that one. There we go. So all of these have got the little protective sleeve because they're sharp points. So another straight tip, slightly bent, not as pronounced as the other one. That don't really need a protective thing, it's just to keep it closed. That's kind of like a duck's tail, if you know what I mean, on the end. Just a flat, dull curve. Another pointy one, quite long, good reach. And another straight one. So that was the 8-piece in a 6-piece pouch. So that will keep you going for a while. It's a shame 1 or 2 sets of them weren't the reverse style tweezer or this, because I really do love these. I mean, that is just genius, and it's really good for SMD work. But be warned, even though they lock like that, I have pinged SMDs across this shed at speed that you'll never find for the love of money. In another 10 years you'll do something and you'll be like, oh, it's an LED. So anyway, like the video, subscribe to the channel. That's my review on Amazon tweezers. Now I'm going to leave an online review for them. Both good sets. Both I'm missing a pair. No, I'm not. Both good standard. These aren't quite as thick as these. I mean, these really are substantial tweezers. These are excellent. They're self-closing reverse tweezers, and they really do have a good body on them. So I'll keep the body as a spare for these two and use the tips on that one to replace these ones, standard ones. So yeah, links in the description to both sites that I bought these from. These were $6.49, these were like $8.99 or something, whatever it was. Recommended.